Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna show you conditional formatting in Power Apps. So we know that Power Apps is now growing more than ever, with more and more organizations are opting for Power Apps for their applications because of ease in usage and its mobile friendly nature. So what my purpose for this video is, let's say you have a list, a SharePoint list, and you have data, of course. So when you display this data to your users, probably you would like to format it based on certain conditions. For example, let's say you have a date, due date, target date, anything. So suppose if it is approaching a certain number, if it is greater than today, less than today, so probably you would like to show it in different colors, so that when somebody looks at it, they are gonna get an idea. Oh, this is looking red, this has missed the target. Oh, this is green, so this is in right shape. So there could be hundreds of business processes like that. So in this video I'm gonna solve this with a simple example. So let's proceed. First I'll show you a SharePoint test. Okay, so we have a very simple SharePoint test for power, title, due date. Just as title comes by default, and I have added only one field, due date, for this exercise. Now I created a Power App, and you see that due date, this is coming in red. So I would like to show you what I have done. So for this card due date, I have put a formula. Date difference between the date, due date, today. So this is the in date, and this is the uh, field due date, and the unit I'm taking is days. If it is greater than 1, then show it red. If it is less than, put it as green. So now let's run this and let's modify this. So I'm gonna select a higher value, and then I'm gonna select if it changes. Yeah, see, the color got changed because your today is like 15th of December and this is 29 December. So 15 minus 29, so it's like minus 14, less than 1. So show it in green, otherwise red. That's what the logic is here. You can see. So we have to utilize fill property here if you want to have formatting like this. Similarly, you have other formatting like if you want to increase the width, decrease anytime, you can use if function and you can put your condition over there. So that's how you do conditional formatting using Power Apps. So when you have complicated logics, like if you have two or multiple fields, you can create a relation between them, and then you can display a certain field. You can add a text box, and you can populate the values based on the outcome of the condition. You can do all sort of similar modifications. This is possible. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask, and please subscribe to my channel, support it, and share this video. Thank you.